Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of smartwatches and I've got something special for you. Introducing the ZOSKVEE ZOSKVEE Smart Watch, designed for both women and men. Whether you're looking for sleek style, advanced health tracking, or the convenience of handling calls right from your wrist, this watch has it all. In this video, I'll be showing you how easy it is to dial and answer calls directly from the ZOSKVEE, along with a deep dive into its other impressive features. So if you're in the market for a smartwatch that combines function with fashion, stay tuned.
Smartwatch, fitness tracker with heart rate monitor, blood oxygen, sleep tracking. Track your wellness 24/7 with this smartwatch and fitness tracker. It monitors heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns in real time, giving you detailed insights into your health. Sleek and stylish, it's perfect for staying connected while reaching your fitness goals. A must-have for anyone looking to live healthier and smarter.
Stay connected and active with the 2024 HD 1.91 smartwatch. This stylish watch lets you answer and make calls directly from your wrist, while tracking 110+ sports modes and daily fitness activities. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures it's ready for any adventure, and the sleek HD display keeps your health stats clear and accessible at all times. Perfect for men and women on the go.
Introducing the ZOSKVEE Smart Watch, 2024 newest 185-inch. Your ultimate fitness companion. Stay connected with the ability to answer, make calls right from your wrist. Track your heart rate, monitor sleep, count steps, and measure calories effortlessly. Stylish, functional, and perfect for keeping your health in check every day.
The Samsung Galaxy Watch. Ultra 47mm LTE is the ultimate AI-powered smartwatch for fitness and productivity. With 24/7 connectivity, monitor your health with precision, including heart rate, sleep, and the innovative energy score. Its durable build and sleek design make it perfect for any lifestyle, while LTE keeps you connected on the go. Stay ahead in style and wellness with cutting-edge technology.
Stay connected and active with this smartwatch for women. Compatible with Android iPhone, it features Alexa built-in for voice control and hands-free convenience. Track your fitness with IP68 waterproofing and 24/7 activity monitoring, while the Bluetooth caller function lets you make and answer calls on the go. Stylish, smart, and perfect for a busy lifestyle.